Tap AI is a brand new software that's creating a buzz in the AI community. And in this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you dive in. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly if Tap AI is right for you. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share a pro tip about how to maximize the software's full potential. Let's jump right into it. First off, Tap AI offers a clean and intuitive user interface that anyone can pick up. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the layout is straightforward, making it easy to navigate through all its features. You don't need to be a tech genius to start using it. Everything is clearly labeled, which makes it perfect for anyone looking to integrate AI into their workflow without wasting time. One of the standout features of Tap AI is its natural language processing capabilities. It's designed to understand and process human language in a way that feels almost conversational. This makes it super useful for a variety of applications, from customer service chatbots to content creation tools. Tap AI allows you to generate responses, draft emails, and even write blog posts. But the beauty is in the precision. It's smart enough to know what tone to use based on your input. Another impressive aspect is Tap AI's learning algorithm. Unlike traditional software that only runs on preset functions, Tap AI learns and adapts over time. The more you use it, the more it fine-tunes its results based on the context and your preferences. This self-improvement aspect ensures that Tap AI doesn't just serve your needs today, it gets better every day, making it a long-term asset. Now, if you're concerned about integrations, Tap AI does a great job here too. It plays well with major tools like Zapier, Slack, and even Google Docs. Whether you're looking to automate tasks or streamline workflows, the easy integration with your existing tools means Tap AI fits seamlessly into your operations. Speaking of automation, Tap AI's ability to automate tasks and simplify workflows is another game changer. With just a few simple commands, you can automate repetitive tasks like data entry, scheduling, and even customer inquiries. Imagine how much time you'll save by letting Tap AI handle the small, time-consuming tasks, so you can focus on more critical projects. One thing I really like about Tap AI is its scalability. It's designed to grow with you. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large team, Tap AI can handle the workload. If your business expands, the software can adapt and scale to your increasing needs without causing headaches. Lastly, Tap AI offers a completely free trial, so you can try it out for yourself without any commitment. This is crucial, especially when dealing with software that is as new as Tap AI. You can get a feel for the features, test out the performance, and see how well it works with your specific needs before deciding if it's the right fit for you. Check the link in the description to get started with your free trial. So, is Tap AI the best newly released AI software? If you're looking for something that's intuitive, scalable, and has a strong learning curve, then Tap AI could be exactly what you need. It brings real value to the table, whether you're looking to automate your business processes, generate content, or enhance your customer service. And if you're still not sure, after trying out Tap AI, I've also got a list of other recommended AI tools in the description. These are tools I've personally tested after trying thousands of other AI software options. Tap AI is definitely one of the top contenders, but the right tool for you depends on your specific needs. So go ahead, explore the free trials and see what works best for you.